Hey y'all, I'm out in northern Indiana where it's nice and flat, but my son scopes everywhere out to find hills so he can do his favorite sport, which is longboarding. And I've watched him go up and down, fall down, get up. It really makes me think about our journeys on our weight loss challenges. And we sometimes feel like it's downhill and it's easy and it's coming off, and then we kind of fall off track. But just like my son is doing, he picks up his board and he climbs back up the hill and does it again and gets right back on it. The easy part is the downhill, but the challenge can be, picking yourself up and walking back up and doing it the right way again. And I just want to challenge you today. Don't stop trying. It's what we really need to do, is continue to work at it and pick up our board. It's called life. Downhills and uphills. If it was all downhills, it wouldn't be life. It's just not reality, and we gotta kind of live in reality at this point. So I hope that gives you some encouragement to start again right now. Grab a glass of water, grab a piece of fruit, do 5 push-ups, and feel great about yourself. Have a good one. Bye.